Primarily students gathered today at the Chateau Caribbean for the 2015 Taiwan's scholarship briefing. For the past 3 years, the Taiwanese embassy has been hosting the event, which seeks to familiarize those wanting the opportunity to study in Taiwan. Up for grabs annually are approximately 25 spots in either the Taiwan Ministry of Foreign Affairs Scholarship or the International Cooperation Development Fund.
The last but most important component of bilateral relations, that is so-called human resource cooperation. In this, we mean that we are going to provide scholarship to your brilliant students to go to Taiwan to study so that they can learn more about all the most updated knowledges in every field they are interested. They become very important elites and backbones of your national development. They have made tremendous contribution to your country. We are very proud of them. Okay? And now we have about 160 more in Taiwan still pursuing their degrees in respective fields. Okay? I know many of you, particularly those Form 6 students, you are very keen to go into Taiwan. That's why you are here.
Since the inception of the program, over 260 Belizeans have received scholarships to study in Taiwan, acquiring bachelor's, master's, and doctorate degrees from various educational facilities. Interim President of the Belize Taiwan ICDF Alumni Society, Keisha Rodriguez, spoke of the demands of the scholarship.
Most of the Belizeans who have studied in Taiwan have been at the top of their classes. They have participated in academic life, in sports and international organizations and so forth, conferences. So they have really represented Belize well. So our new scholarship recipients, that's the type of persons and individuals that we're looking for, people who will be good ambassadors of Belize. I think the second thing that they need if they're accepted to study in Taiwan is to be open. More than the academic, it's also the experience that they have sharing their culture as Belizeans, their language, the diverse culture that we have as Belizeans, and also experiencing what Taiwan has to offer. So the opportunity that exists for Belizeans is to go to a different country, a culture that's completely different from our own, and learn about them, grow personally. There's personal development, a tremendous opportunity for personal development. And these scholarships are also for Belizeans to return home and to contribute to our society, contribute positively to our society.
Kensworth Williams is among the persons in attendance looking for that opportunity to get a higher education.
Sometimes being in a third world country, it's hard to get an education, and sometimes even a proper education. So today, for this Taiwanese scholarship, it's actually a great opportunity for not only myself, but also people who have jobs or think that they want to go back to school so they could come here and apply to get something that they think will benefit themselves in the future.
Any idea as to what program you'd want to go and do over there?
Currently, I'm doing IT, but I think sometimes in a profession you need to change to expand your range. I would personally want to apply for business so I could expand my own horizon.
Today's event signals the opening of the scholarship application process. The deadline to submit applications is set for March 31st. Dwayne Moody for News 5.